Hi guys, so if your iPhone is not allowing camera access to any app like Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Messenger or Zoom, don't worry, I will show you a few simple ways to fix it. Sometimes camera access gets blocked because of screen time restrictions, so go to settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on screen time. Now again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. If it's turned off, turn it on. Now tap on allowed apps and features and here make sure camera is turned on. If camera was off, turn it on. Now close the settings and test your app again. Now we are going to change the most important settings that will completely solve the problem. Open settings again. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Inside this menu, find camera and tap on it. Here you will see a list of apps that requested camera access. Now look for the app that is causing the problem and make sure the switch is turned on. Now go back to that app and try using camera again. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.